How to get rid of ectoparasites, bird mites, head lice, body lice, and pubic lice even if it's inside your body. Ectoparasites are organisms that infest the skin of human beings and other animals. Ectoparasite, a parasite that lives on or in the skin but not within the body. Fleas and lice are ectoparasites. Infestation with an ectoparasite is called an ectoparasitosis. Examples: scabies, pediculosis capitis, head lice infestation, pediculosis corporis, pediculosis vestimenti, vagabond's disease, pediculosis pubis, crabs. What are the signs of an ectoparasite attack? Itching, especially at night, crawling sensations, pinprick sensations, tiny red bite marks. How to effectively get rid of ectoparasites? Eat raw onions and garlic for 1 week or as long as you still have an infestation. Dice the onion and garlic. They have to be eaten raw to be fully effective. The volatile and sulfur-containing compounds of both will make your body repellent to the ectoparasites. So even if the ectoparasites have penetrated the holes and crevices of your body, they will leave hastily once you start reeking of onions and garlicky smell. Orange oil. To make a homemade orange oil spray, grind lemon peels and add water to it. Strain the mixture and pour the water into a spray bottle. Cut an orange peel into small strips and add them into the bottle. Use as spray. Essential oils such as peppermint, lavender, eucalyptus, cedar wood, and lemongrass. Mix some oil and water in a spray bottle and use as spray. Neem oil is a vegetable oil pressed from the fruits and seeds of the neem, an evergreen tree which is endemic to the Indian subcontinent and has been introduced to many other areas in the tropics. Neem oil is useful for damaging over 500 types of insects, mites and ticks, and nematodes by changing the way they grow and act. Neem does not normally kill pests right away, rather it slows their growth and drives them away. If you like my presentation, consider liking and subscribing to my channel. And God bless you. Support me on Patreon. Patreon Good Fortune Future.